Salam. What are economists? Economists, no. Now, Miss Wanson Kotubunku.
Yawa Jumayo, Yawa Jum, Mahama don't quen, Ejumara quen, Ejuma quen, Yabe Ju quen, I say quen, why I say quen, Edom riba quen, Ejumara. I wish them for a high GhanaNsem TV GH, message like a comment, subscribe with no notification, so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. I wish them for Kwame Adinkrah son. Adinkrah son. Beman son and so Adinkrah son. Hey bass. Hey bass. Beman son and so Adinkrah son. Kaish. Dem akachi. Yes, ebusia. Now the reason Kwame Adinkrah is crying and say Kwame Adinkrah say Ohwe Ghana sesia. They bia Jomahama buying way. Any ni special envoy AYɛ Angel Gabriel of this administration, Felix Fosukwache. They are always shouting, Ato is forcing, inflation is coming down, inflation has come to single digit, inflation has come to single digit. Now, say inflation ISC about single digit. Kwame Adinkrah say, eba ne sena, nyama bo eng ba from da. I say, straw neko. To the extent, say, gobe. She said, gobe anka. By 10 months ago, 12 months ago, ufa 10 cities, utumito gobe, 6 cities. Plantain, 4 cities. You eat and you are satisfied. And ne, Ghana hano, who need 20 cities, I want to me di gobe. Gobe, who need 20 cities, untimi di gobe. Ghana say. Na ofrik gobe so na ukonia Jomahama say ye nwanoma o me nkremfo epepa ye kinki no komi. Komi cry dey say there atiafa so. Kire say who need 40 cities, 50 cities untimi di kinki obe me Ghana say. Ko kinki baku bia no 7 cities. Some places in Accra come to 10 cities. To koto me na 20 cities and I say 14 cities. Enam easy. Say even onion no cry e ma okra no me say onion no they are counting it. Onion no that they give you ukoto kenki onion na e ma okra me say kinki run no county. Say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 eye mano. Esan say bibia bon aye din. Na emi de passe. We enye MPP for no mutim. Na Ghana for ankasa, including journalists for omuti me up against MPP. Epam MPP ayaya. Yen nyina na yebre. Yes sir. Now Ghana for munem the sad aspect. Sad aspect in they say we are just 11 months into the administration. And the aka 3 years, 1 month. 3 years, 1 month. And no naka. And the she see. And you'll be hearing inflation about from but never born dear. We keep paying more and more and more. You can say QNet abain aba. You can say 419 abain, Quen abain aba. We na you catch Ghana for now monti asie. But I am a desi and there. People are beginning to wake up. Now who cause them? Now Quen people cause them. If we for the video is up next, I'll see you in the next one.
He Bunkuno same. Say, and now we can't repent. Now we can't buy them more. And inflation will be a fan. Who say, and I would tell escalate commodities be a one and Yana GhanaNsem Department for Omoye. almost select various key commodities. Now, already a year inflation. Okay, so inflation is about 8%. Okay,
from 9.4 to
8%. I was for inflation and say, and then my war and cost. And don't just say, and then my war at Yaba from Derby. The rate at which I be a total new mono, and as I say, 8%. 2024, no, then I'm 23%. But I say, the Yarayadum. 8%. The rate at which I yes, but still,
let me say, and that's my share. We interview our new prof, historian, and a political politician, or Kassem legend. I also set in a clay. In fact, in academia, so being ready to level of PhD in a field to discredit him of his field, you need to provide certain evidence. For him to say, but me nim she in economics, I think so. When fair too.
I can't say nim she.
Maybe also about baby, but also when you nim she in economics.
Also to say no. I can't somebody must say she
knew me and also say economics could have nim she. That's why I say that I disagree with him because legend, to do that, you know, take an institution like ABI academic institution be. Ekasa, but oko can in political say or numshi sana also say in your area. We are political science lecturer. Also equal a PhD holder and a professor in economics. Professor in economics, a bit boy than say or political science lecturer or Kasa. So any other issues against Baba, I can raise it. But I don't cast one name in economics. I don't think it's a very fair to buy me as a PhD holder in economics. And to the issue of inflation. Inflation, as you say, increase in price. The word inflation, can I just say, the increase in price of a commodity at a certain level. And maybe because inflation, I think, will be the air can say, new bono, a cost speed above form.
Yeah.
And then just say, Abianca, 9%, you know. And can mana 10 cities, you know, so 5% and 90 pesos and I say, in the tomb. They say, 90 pesos. They say, about 8%, you know. They say 8% of 10 cities will be 80 pesos. And think, Naman can say 10 cities, 90 pesos. They say, they better 10 cities, 80 pesos. They say, last year, what it meant, they say, yes, price and Ankasa or neighbor form, but speed and cost on this time around above form. And I say 0%. And then they say a stable price. They say the 10 cities we make out. But then say a percent decrease in price. Say I don't know 10 cities. It's about 9 cities there. And the friend deflation. And the deflation is not entertained. And I say I'm more from in economics, a collapse of companies. They just say I feel the company no. The demand by kind of profit, call the capital. And you know, I might be an person. You call the level of deflation. And it's you know, inflation a car, purchase and car last month, and never no cover 90 pesos. This month, dear, I'm going 90 pesos, 80 pesos. And the 80 pesos now, Aban, who they can 90 pesos now, I buy 11 cities, and 1 city, 70 pesos. And the difference never no super, I buy cost, but speed now, they call last month, you know, and this month in the end, and the moment they can say inflation, from politicians, they can't decide to take credit. But I didn't just say, never bought ever from. But never born a cost last month, you know. This month, I'm cost. That is what it means. And the moment you say, oh, inflation about 8%, and then you know, I was saying, no. And it just say, and tomorrow, last month, you know, and this month, money, yep. Last month, I got on the man, it's 10 cities, because inflation in 9 cities, because of inflation 9%. This time I say about 8%. This month, you know, in tomorrow, I should be 8 cities.
What accounts for that?
It's what we do. They say you are there for the CPI, customer price index, and the inflation. They calculate inflation. So what you do is say over divide the previous price, you know, by current price. It was also now you minus 1, now times by 100. That's what we do. So if I come at the Takobus, I say, no, you say 10 cities. This time around, Argentina, say also ABI 9 cities. Let me before I also want the causes of inflation. The entire inflation cost. Your 3 main causes. Your demand, pool inflation, and our cost push inflation. And what idea friend say internal one. And then it is caused by these two. And they say Kobasa nipa skaba musa bebre ya. No more demanding mic here. Then the demand exceeds supply. And the mama na bono akosoro because na manuswa na nipa mpeno edoso. And no idea mama na mama bo akosoro. The dosu mienu cost push inflation. And they say nema edi akadi idea sa ade no. Ebia me fan say chocolate. So Kobasa chocolate your friend saying cocoa ni adade any sugar na dey na so cocoa no boss kosoro na sugar no boss kosoro by the time I make cocoa na chocolate na wi no na ne bo na ede no and bo akosoro it definitely ever affect the price of the chocolate and only a cost push inflation. Then they are touching me say here emra ne man bo na akosoro no na workers so demand say o mampani e say na ma bo akosoro to 2 years sika no kakramai o mampani etumu no no also indirectly increase the taxes on the mutual tax man na so na ma bo akosoro. So then the moment ebia it was season of ebia tomatoes na be brea it means tomatoes no do so say na edi tomatoes no. So in this case supply no exceed demand and they dey border baba form so say tomatoes no na di mpa na say dey na pet tomatoes no ye di tomatoes no ye do so say tomatoes e wa demand no so exceed supply and the money boss akoso and this na me ko na this month tomatoes ya no ebia ebum kakra na amount for me bi to na border e be 10 cedis per friends basket next month me ko ya no and why didn't new run e ka say obeto na 11 cedis the bega say there has been increase in inflation. Meaning say no I turn 10 cedis it's about 11 cedis no bo akosoro by 10%. The next month we call and then we go so say no I don't know I say about from kakra enti e bi kura say o moton no e bia 11 cedis 50 pesos make say inflation about from by 5%. What it means is say 10% are two last month no at about from this month 5%. And then chira say price about from name president ka ebia last month here 10 once the beka no ka this month across okay 2 cedis they say about 50%. The legend there chair no in previous say there has been a fall in inflation and a decrease in inflation. My assume say the price okoton and no okomekata so but no the only thing is say ebia enkosoro more but price na there teretia and netia. Well, I don't think me person discuss here.
Roman for say
GRA issue.
Roman for on say yantia sense GD.
No so tia.
E be GD sa.
Yes, I know.
Okay. So yantia say GD. What's why GRA?
Legend Mr. Mishada ni commissioner for humanitarian.
I saw on my banner no. There.
Legend contracted company be the Sagel and Italiano. So I'm procure cars and Magiari.
Vic
cars and Magiari. Now the contractor man or convince procurement authority say, oh, I'm a very good company. And to you sue idea for so sourcing. And one a cars and company and go to Casanabra. Idea friends and procurement acts at 663 when you sukra another company I didn't mark conventional. I feel that company so Eddie I have some money capacity to produce any amount certainly subcontracting I don't know subletting my company ranu so ranu mo enko ton the man embra at the cost of almost $1 million. I feel that in 2020 car one here almost a month for car because COVID in tea. I say a investigation is just say and your COVID that amount for antocasanama because company don't have capacity. Then the gas company and the capacity I just say car I pre-finance in the manaba and sana what
okay.
So at the time of contract, not the be pan in the basic line of the contract, ma'am. It's actually in some company menu so amount to tax down kroma. The amount to tax more by biada.
Oh no, AGR.
AGR penumuno. And they say then we are buy and say 880 something million. They are now come back a friend saying a attorney general say on fa no court no on this kind of 80 million no. So that's what papa no. My money juma bi mo Ghana for the next 5 years. Me for the juma.
Now what how many years?
According to some according 60 years. But then you see then after retirement and I'm for year contract.
Okay.
Yeah, he can make agencies who consult them. Where he has been banned. Some will be unfunded. But don't necessarily say public offices, even private institution. You do it at your own peril.
But I think that's good.
It's very, very good.
Yeah.
And then they say, Sharaj, ultimately complete finance. We say, Abba, I hope and pray, say, a man's man for. So, but then the mega question say, yeah, now, say, a late, a moon, doors.
Nagana, you have
a ah. Nipa nima dear is omejo mo didi nemasha mo some legend omuna bo man chrono too much.
Yeah.
It's very, very unfortunate.
Yeah.
It's very, very unfortunate. Ushe chrono about my year in billions of dollars.
Can say a body no.
I don't know she.
Service.
Over 2 billion Ghana.
Naskaba the horse.
Let's only idea where I move. You see, they can a report in Casa and Ukraine. But say in Ukraine on the knock to us voluntary service. Or do over 50,000 as
legend the asabno krane the area ho krane se
mun dey na okay
GRE ya and one am dey be so what say wo mo address company no kra no mo dey contract dey ma wo mo no per findings shag dey buy en what say company ni kire say bia wo mo operate ha but wo mo kohwe ho no mo no locate baby a company no na say ho
everything is on paper. They don't exist. That is the bottom line.
All right. Na kusi person kan about Akuako, a general manager for Akota Mines.
Yes.
As I say, AG, I dropping the charges. Now, Oba you know as a witness. Won't be lawyer, no? Abeka said, there's no way. Our almost scheme of affairs, no? Say, Sa Papa na Okazano. No, a general manager, oh, baby.
Then the Oka or Dika because
also, a general manager, oh, baby.
Because Papa resigned 1 year. And some issue, I think in 2019 or 2020 something, or resign 1 year before this issue, and then say, I'm focused, and yet,
season. And your work governance season. Kwame, ever had because and what my is more like
so long as we talk to political parties.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, but Kwame, I mean, your best practices are it means you.
That's
the other countries, Ghana,
we have been able, as PF, we have been able to minimize political parties' involvement in our programs.
Yes.
But
that's good.
Cry there. A bad thing.
Kwame, no one be here. I said, that's regional political campaign season. Yeah, campaign. Oh,
and then they discuss.
No,
dog. Don't you think, sir? The way Yanswa Kasa, your system is it here? Any system of governance is it here? And they, a day bia, organ habiano, a buying. You can't education, a buying. You can't transport, I have buying. You can't fuel this harmony. I am, and the that's the train. I am buying. Aha, that's a buying Sadia. So we got to want to scrana. I am buying. It is a ya buying. That's the politics, a Roman. And yet, sanity, your system of governance. Gabia, also America says to be a cassette, hotel boy, dear. Obia no how come by once. A hotel for now. And it will be a Euromo. Okay. But Hannah, so hotel why dear? Hello, I buy taxes now on. I don't.
Come meet us here. Minka say you bet me Yaman every no ma ye any dad at least. Baby, I have through your democratic journey, Nimno. America no nyina Kwame. And yes, baby omuwe. Omusha sia over 300 years in Ombedru. Omso ma fasa no many more. Enna ensisayeka. Kwame, even if you look at political dispensation, this Fourth Republic, Kwame. And no baby assistant and no.
Yeah.
Nanki bet me to aba ama babia unim say these areas predominantly MPP. And so now tables not turning. Kebet mabasa. 2016, what happened for the first time? Ma Yura Mahama Lucy ya near CBC da. Nanka 2024 the ABC ni.
Yeah.
Kwame 2028 obinim the ABC. Enti normal assessor. But I'm saying say Kwame politics, you know, you won't come out you dino opposition and you won't come out you dino when you have power. That is all that I'm saying. Say ye free opposition ho nearby power. I will say a man common mu ye hwam ne mu ye do. So na nkonko ye te say da bia no ye say twe ho e de ko actually.
It depends on who you talk to. It depends on who you talk to anyway.
Yes.
So if maybe there's a conscious effort there, you minimize maybe 78. Me sure say me hu nipa kro de abronye beba. Okase bia yen discuss unless the subject subject bia efa ebia bono ho but since here MPP in Semia by say I want to seek the opinions of abronye me I won't do that.
Yes.
Unless bia personally and I say among 4 years consciously we are not debarring you, we are not ganging you.
Yes.
But I will not give you the opportunity.
Yes.
To do that.
That's
yes, sir. A bad thing. Francois.
A bad thing.
Francois who abai. MPP Simia and Obeka. On if share ok. You Obeka and say Chama won't be a little moye. Abaya na abuni tumu pose opasa ordinary tum. Na yehe and Yamra Council Chamo to Onyere. Transfer.
Kwame, you. Kwame, and somehow drink Kwame. I did and the pay. In opportunity say, just a stranger minstrel, Krura, open so be Obiano, a stranger minstrel at the man on in a him for one more sentiment of Hangina. Kwame, maybe now can't do any one say inflation. That's so still anima bo kwa na ayeden kosro ene kra Kwame hit wo krom kakra hit wo krom pa no a I mean na eda na se nsu talk na wia na bo anu se eh koto ya no pa koto dokro bo eh first na ka 20 cities so dokro so 20 cities no dokro no ne nam no enko yesa I mean we the fufu na wani je ho fui do koto fufu a hey, is that uncle by Ghana to new fool? Krumoshi, Kwame, your chairman in some bay. Your original chairman. What about some? Kwame, I didn't see you, no. Kai say, you think I'm a follow, a for beer and for ban if ye dreamika ayeding, echo, a bio Yoko Fosso a fano. For flight, to first flight, a concrete. I mean, and I'm saying some cocono, and nay, I mean, whose bill conditions yet dunk of force. So, I mean, Minim say, what is always a Johnny Mappa? Minim say, have there been some years back tall list of people with their various bill conditions? No, that's the way that I know what to do.
What is got to do?
Kwame, who can say why did this kind of do?
Now, ye the bear, I be out so.
There be Kwame that
say for we want to.
There be.
And your one walk out German, and I did that also. Take a bear condition. I said, as I say, court and I say, agency, and I say, if it ya near say, ye pay 800 at their torso. You pay 200 and there too. So,
what are some of the factors?
Factors in the gravity of your case and the amount involved. Sebia, what the 10 billion? Yet we can say more bela 1,000 Ghana cedis. No, we should have a surety here. Even more than scanner. You can say this is what you know. I don't just say scanner what you. Then we say we are what the 10 billion. I say to you say. Ye ma obelia ye the bill to so a su chain ebia 10 billion na wodi no ye we say well sana why is it that say osati any gifty no munya o NSS gifty there no 10 million osati be there no 800 million wow so the gravity and the amount involved onya order them
Kwame
they require 6 sureties landed property.
Hey, committee me determine him or call a transit say, oh,
Say yoku for never for na omuna ome kase answer be jaw no e say also say CID say court but then you know the court and he says a court na odbeko na yakase you person grant you bail na near the truth ni so if you are able to satisfy that condition you are free to go.
I mean, do you have a way of maybe applying, say,
you can contest, sir. Won't you be there? I started with some, I think 100 or 50 or so. And then
that's how we mitigate him.
Yeah,
yeah. Or 400 million grana. Some more.
Nah, Moka say easy. Who's fault?
Because I agree with you. So the case is around 2.2 billion Ghana cedis.
Mami, and they must say who say. Assuming that yate soba bia 200 million.
Yeah.
Na wa ba asem no wo no which mean ka say babusia for anase bia obi ana wo no just say obi wa abontin.
Bill nankasa no. Bill nankasa o de me hwe sika no. Ba bill and they say. Ya do akọ police station. Emra wan kwa say e so ba fi. Na police for no e say your mom assurance say. Kwa okufie no emre yehia obia obeba enti nyawo na abeka kire na emom po obi nobody adanse no fa adewe mesi awowa na di pakron embeka say oh François de bijinedi me di fie esiso tambia wo hia no bia no bedere beba tambia paso ba kotu bia no bedere beba so wa makotu ba me fie no monfa no
baby adeba kwa me say hu say won say Ghana ha no se bia Kwame odamfo ne me
yeah
oh François de nze me ekui afei na mesoso obi na Kwame kura japade we onya no we
dabi nya ho na
ene ho so entu mam sa
dabi ho de say ebe bu a na different se bia okay me de makobeliu with the new way akusiawa say aban fees akọ kra don sometime we believe François na sana na o de believe François unya o he and no say for that is why a lot of people are also not going to bail people and ye bail am for almost dwane ama omukrofo omu property akam enti so one yo bia ojiwudi obia ne ho sompa abedi
so da na odem Kwame
also means do na sika no questionable and they are invading taxes
sentina
I'm for person come be
sentina
million
enye easy o
sentina okwa omo ye checks yes you see bia odi then checks and the cost bia property we media so go check our lands for say ampa na dia ye ko came on ekunze ampa we dey san money na oh property taxes are what over the years na oh sa ni money na your AS first AS for how me land for so enti enye say opeja property bia na de ko
obisi na asumasi ono eti ho no nim ebia na japade no ebia when fa no kwan pa bi yere mesi wo so tincha wo so ade na wo kra enko beli oh sometimes people look in that regard
ba unya
Kwame ebio ade a etwetwe ngofo bo no Kwame have there been a case where obi anyi minimini akobokro no ehese esipe ya na